Amalfi. This is the Amalfi. Let's go to the San Remo. We can see the mountain from far. Amalfi. And that's the ongoing construction. Let's go to the San Remo. The San Remo was one oasis. San Remo. Those are the buildings of the San Remo. San Remo. Let's go inside. Let's go now to the parking. This is the parking of San Remo, one oasis. Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and right now I am at the San Remo, one oasis. This is the development of the Philanfest here in the South Properties, and I am going towards the amenities of this project. And this is the San Remo amenities. That's the pool of the San Remo, the central amenities of the San Remo. And these are the residential buildings. This is the residential buildings of one oasis, San Remo, and this is the basketball court. Let's go. We will try to check the swimming pool and that's the fitness gym and the clubhouse. That's also the residential building. So we have two phases here in one oasis. The other one is in the Amalfi. That's the gym. Let's go to the clubhouse. Let's go into the swimming pool. We'll see that even if we go in the clubhouse. The gym and the clubhouse is here. Clubhouse. Let's go up. And this is the second floor of the clubhouse. those are the kids play area there below, and that's the gym. We have gym there, and let's try to check the swimming pool. This is the clubhouse. So the clubhouse and the amenity area of the One Oasis Amalfi is also different. So this is for One Oasis Sanremo, and that's the pool area. People and swimming, so we don't get them. And those are the residential buildings. That's the pool. We have that beautiful water features below. We have that beautiful garden, beautiful flower. Let's go down. Let's try to check the other side of the pool. That's the other side of the pool. And that's the gym. One Oasis. And that's the Sanremo. I will drive going to the highway so that you can see from the Sanremo going to the El Corso Mall. That was the Sanremo, and that is the One Oasis Amalfi. So they also have their own amenities there. That one Amalfi, and Sanremo also has their own amenities. I will show you the Amalfi. That's the One Oasis Amalfi. That one. So the amenities of that residential township is in the center. And that's the El Corso Mall. El Corso Mall. So it's beachfront mall, also developed by the Philinvest, the same developer of that One Oasis. And this is the SRPA Road. Thank you.